Hi everyone, I'm going to solve this tricky factorial equation. So our equation is x squared minus 3x factorial over 3 factorial times 8 factorial is equals to 15. Here we are going to find out the value of x. So let's start our solution. And the first step you need to know about the factorials. So factorials are the multiplication of one number with the numbers below that number. If I want to write the factorial of any number, so we have the general formula that is n factorial is equals to n bracket n minus 1 factorial. If I want to write the factorial of 4 here, so the factorial of 4 minus 1 factorial. So 4 factorial is equals to 4 times 3 factorial. Or I can write in replacement of this 3 factorial, the factorial of 3. So 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Or I can write this 24. So in 3 different ways, we can write the factorial of any number. Now in the first step, our 3 factorial and 8 factorial is dividing. So I will going to multiply this 3 factorial and 8 factorial both the side. 3 factorial times 8 factorial bracket x squared minus 3x factorial over 3 factorial 8 factorial is equals to 15 times 3 factorial 8 factorial. Here this and this get cancelled, so the expression we'll get here, that is x squared minus 3x factorial is equals to here 15, 3 factorial, 8 factorial. Now what I will do, I will going to write the factorial of 3 here first. So the factorial of 3 we can write in the same way like this. X squared minus 3x factorial is equals to 15 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 8 factorial. Now we're going to split this 15 here. X squared minus 3x factorial is equals to 5 times 3 give us 15, and this 3 and this 2 and this 1 going to be multiplied with this 2. So I can write 8 factorial here. Now I was going to multiply this 5 with this 2 and this 3 with this 3. So this will be turned to x squared minus 3x factorial is equals to 5 to 10 give us 10 times 9 times 8 factorial. Now next, I was going to write the factorial here. The 9 factorial is equals to 9 times 8 factorial. So in replacement of this, I will going to write 9 factorial. So the last expression I was going to write x squared minus 3x factorial is equals to 10 times 9 factorial. Right now here I was going to write the factorial of 10 easily. X squared minus 3x factorial is equals to 10 factorial. We have the factorial rule, that is a factorial is equals to b factorial. So here a is equals to b because this and this get cancelled. So I can write this above equation x squared minus 3x is equals to 10 because this and this get cancelled. Now I was going to take this 10 to the left hand side. X squared minus 3x minus 10 is equals to 0. Now we get the quadratic equation. So this is our product and this is our sum. So I will going to factorize this x squared. I will going to take the number that give me the 10, the 2 number that give me the 10, and as I'm going to subtract that, I will get negative 3x. So that is 5x plus 2x minus 10 is equals to 0. Here I will going to take common of x minus 5 plus 2. Here this x, here minus and 2 5 times give us 10 is equals to 0. Here we have this x minus 5 is common. So x minus 5 is common here. And an x plus equals to 0. Now here we get the two cases. X minus 5 is equals to 0. And x plus 2 is equals to 0. As I'm going to solve this, I will get here x is equals to positive 5. And here x is equals to negative 2. So this is our x value that we find out. Now it's time to verify my answer. Our expression is x squared minus 3x factorial over 3 factorial 8 factorial is equals to 15. To solve for 5 x value, that is 5 squared minus 3 5 factorial over 3 factorial times 8 factorial is equals to 15. This 5 2 times turns to 25. Here 25 minus 3 5 times 15 bracket close factorial over 3 factorial 8 factorial is equals to 15. Here this will be equal to 10 factorial over 3 factorial and 8 factorial is equals to 15. Now we're going to write the factorial of 10. I will going to write 10 times 9 times 8 factorial. Here I will going to end up till 8 factorial because our denominator ending on 8 factorial. So here 3 factorial times 8 factorial. This and this get cancelled. So the expression we'll get that is 10 times 9 over 3 factorial is equals to 15. Now I will going to write the factorial of 3 here. Now here I will going to write 10 times 9 and the factorial of 3 I'm going to write in this form. As I told you, we can write the factorial in 3 different ways. This will going to be cancelled out by 5 and this will be cancelled out by 3. So here 15 is equals to 15. Here left hand side equals to the right hand side. So the value of x, that is 5, is absolutely correct. Now we're going to verify my second x value, that is negative 2. Our expression is x squared minus 3x bracket close factorial over 3 factorial 8 factorial is equals to 15. Now we're going to plug in the x value, that is negative 2. So negative 2 minus 3, negative 2 factorial over 3 factorial, 8 factorial is equals to 15. This negative 2 equals to positive 4. This 3 2 times gives us 6 and minus plus. So here 6, 4 plus 6 factorial over 3 factorial and 8 factorial is equals to 15. It will be equal to 10 factorial over 3 factorial and 8 factorial is equals to 15. Again, I'm going to write the factorial in this form. 10 times 9 times 8 factorial over 3 factorial 8 factorial is equals to 15. Here this and this get cancelled. Now 10 times 9 over the factorial of 3, I was going to write 3 times 2 times 1 is equals to 15. Here this will going cancel out by 3 and this by 5. So here 15 is equals to 15. So the value of x, that is negative 2, is absolutely correct. So thank you so very much for watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel.